Mexican food is more than just a meal. It's a fiesta for your taste buds. Full of vibrant colors, bold flavors, and fresh ingredients, Mexican cuisine is an adventure waiting to happen. It's a delicious journey that will take you from the bustling streets of Mexico City to the sunny beaches of Veracruz. When you think of Mexican food, images of sizzling fajitas and cheesy enchiladas might come to mind. But real Mexican food goes far beyond these Tex-Mex favorites. It's a symphony of complex flavors and textures, a tapestry woven from centuries-old traditions and fresh local ingredients. Imagine biting into a warm, handmade tortilla, the aroma of corn filling your senses. Picture a rainbow of salsas, each one bursting with a unique combination of chilies, tomatoes, and spices. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure as we explore the wonderful world of traditional Mexican cuisine. Let's dive in and discover the magic that unfolds when history, culture, and fresh ingredients collide on the plate. Mexico is a land of diverse landscapes, from rugged mountains to sun-drenched coastlines. This diversity is beautifully reflected in its regional cuisines. In the Yucatan Peninsula, Mayan flavors reign supreme. Think cochinita pibil, slow-roasted pork marinated in citrus juices and achiote paste. Travel north to Veracruz, and you'll encounter a fusion of indigenous and Spanish influences. One of the region's signature dishes is pescado a la veracruzana. Head inland to Oaxaca and you'll discover a world of mole. This complex sauce is a true testament to Mexican culinary artistry. Many Mexican dishes have fascinating histories dating back to pre-Hispanic times. These culinary traditions have been passed down through generations, connecting modern-day Mexicans to their rich cultural heritage. Tacos, a beloved street food worldwide, have ancient roots. Evidence suggests that pre-Hispanic civilizations in Mexico used tortillas to wrap various fillings. Over centuries, the taco evolved, incorporating Spanish influences like pork and beef. Tamales, another ancient dish, hold a special place in Mexican culture. These steamed corn dough parcels, filled with savory or sweet ingredients, are often made for special occasions. These dishes are not just meals, but edible stories, narrating the history, traditions, and cultural fusion that define Mexican cuisine. The heart of the kitchen. Essential ingredients in Mexican cooking. Essential ingredients form the foundation of Mexican cuisine. Corn, a sacred crop, is the cornerstone. Beans provide protein and fiber. Chili peppers add fire and flavor. Tomatoes, onions, and cilantro are used generously. Combined with herbs and spices, they create Mexican cuisine's symphony of flavors. A delicious legacy. The enduring influence of Mexican food. Mexican cuisine has transcended geographical boundaries, captivating taste buds worldwide. Its vibrant flavors, fresh ingredients, and festive spirit have made it one of the most beloved cuisines globally. From street food stalls to Michelin-starred restaurants, Mexican food has found a home in every corner of the world. Tacos, burritos, and guacamole are now international staples, enjoyed by people from all walks of life. The global popularity of Mexican food is a testament to its deliciousness and versatility. It's a cuisine that can be enjoyed by everyone, from adventurous eaters seeking bold flavors to those simply looking for a satisfying and flavorful meal. More than just a collection of dishes, Mexican food is a celebration of life, family, and tradition. Its global reach speaks to the power of food to connect people across cultures, sharing joy and flavor with every bite. Beyond the table. Food as a celebration of Mexican culture. In Mexico, food is more than just sustenance. It's an integral part of the culture, deeply intertwined with social gatherings, celebrations, and traditions. Meals are often communal affairs, with families and friends gathering to share food, stories, and laughter. From bustling mercados to lively kitchens, the act of preparing and sharing food is a cherished tradition. Festive occasions call for special dishes, each with its own symbolism and history. During Day of the Dead, families prepare elaborate altars adorned with food offerings for deceased loved ones, including pan de muerto, bread of the dead, and sugar skulls. The warmth, generosity, and vibrant spirit of Mexican culture are reflected in its cuisine. Food is a way of life, a celebration of heritage, and a delicious expression of love and community. So next time you savor a taco or enjoy a plate of mole, remember that you're experiencing more than just a meal. You're partaking in a rich cultural tapestry woven from centuries of tradition.